Hi everyone, it's me here again, Athena from Perlemon Accountants, and today we're gonna do the common journal entries to the common revenue and expense transactions. Before we begin, if you need any accounting support, feel free to head over to perlemonaccountants.com and we'll get in touch with you. Let's begin. So, here are the common revenue accounts. We have previously explained each of them on a previous video. So now let's do the common entries regarding to this. So revenue accounts, their normal balance are credit. It means that if you want to increase your revenue account, you're gonna have to credit them, and if you want to decrease them, you're gonna have to debit them. Let's give an example for a common journal entry account for recording service income. It's when you get paid cash for rendering service, you're gonna debit cash and you're gonna credit service income. The same is true. For example, when you get money from rent income, you're gonna get cash, gonna debit cash, and you're gonna credit rent income. For example, instead of receiving cash, the customer recorded it in accounts payable, which is on your end. It will be an accounts receivable. And credit service income. So those are the usual journal entry accounts for revenue transactions. On the other hand, expense, its normal balance is in the debit. So if you want to increase your expense account, you're gonna have to debit it, and if you want to decrease it, you're gonna have to credit it. So when recording an expense, you're gonna debit salaries expense, and for example, you're gonna credit it with salaries payable. There. For example, you paid for utilities, you're gonna credit cash and you're gonna debit utilities expense. So that's the usual recording entry when you have expenses. So for example, you paid for transportation, you're gonna debit how you paid for it. For example, debit cash and credit transportation expense. You're gonna debit transportation expense and you're gonna credit cash. Because its normal balance account is debit. So that's all. If you need any accounting support, feel free to head over to perlemonaccountants.com and we'll get in touch with you. Thanks for watching.